Buenos dias or buenos tardes. If you're here, then you must be here on this page and you found your way to this conversation. Let me walk you through a few things for this coming week. First of all, be sure to check your grades and do this conversation. Adding some new weather vocabulary. It's a short list. You can look at the list here. You can practice it on Quizlet. We'll do more with that next week in terms of maybe a quiz or something. You have a CVQ practice quiz this week, so you can get some practice here. You can get some more review here. Here's another help sheet that will help you remember whether it's the tú form of you or the vosotros form of you formal, Spain, all that stuff is on that help sheet. Okay, then you go to Schoology and you'll take the CVQ quiz that is posted in the remote learning experience folder. That will be for a writing grade. You'll get to continue on with the next three chapters in El Héroe de Coronavirus. Find out what happens to the kids who are in quarantine and what goes on there. Then take the comprehension quiz for a reading grade. You did that this week or last week, and have another one for this week. It's time to actually get to watch the Senor Willie video, Puedo ir al baño, a classic, and do a related worksheet to it. Follow these directions. If you're having trouble getting logged in, follow these directions in this video. And then with every Willie video, there are certain nuggets to do, and we're going to do the first two nuggets. They won't be due until the following week, so you got 2 weeks to do these. You remember each nugget has about 8 very short activities, so just one activity is not a nugget. There's about 8 or so. That completes one nugget, and you'll do 2 nuggets. Again, you have until Friday at noon to do all this, except for the nuggets. They are due a week later. So let's jump into un poco de conversación. Again, en voz alta, por favor. Buenos días, buenas tardes. Gracias por estar aquí. Now it's your turn. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy emocionado. ¿Y tú, cómo estás? Hoy, ¿qué día es hoy? Hoy es lunes. Mañana es martes. Ayer fue domingo. ¿Cuál es la fecha? Es el 4 de mayo 2020. ¿Qué hora es? Aquí son las 11:22 de la mañana. All right, here's some new stuff talking about weather. ¿Qué tiempo hace? And be careful here, we're going to use the word hace a lot. That's hace, not hace, not hace. Remember, the H is not pronounced here, so it's hace. Repetir, hace buen tiempo. Hace mal tiempo. What's the weather? It's good weather, it's bad weather. ¿Qué tiempo hace? Repetir, hace sol. Está nublado. Hace frío. Hace calor. Hace viento. Llueve. Nieva. ¿Cuál es la temperatura en Mason? What's the temperature in Mason? And we'll follow this little format. La temperatura está a, and then you fill in whatever the temperature is. Let's say it's 60 degrees, okay? So, ¿cuál es la temperatura en Mason? Sí, la temperatura está a 60 grados. Muy bien. ¿Qué estación es? Estación looks like station. In this case, a station in the year, so we'll call it a season in inglés. Repetir, la primavera, el verano, el otoño, el invierno. Muy bien. Don't forget, this is also on Quizlet. And if you have any questions for the week, just let me know. Email me. That would be the best way. Hasta luego. Adios.